I'm Robert Robinson. Welcome to the video. We were honored to get the phone call here to re-roof this 100-plus-year-old home in Winston Salem. All of the trusses needed to be rebuilt on site. We knew that the homeowner here wanted to keep this property well into the future as an investment, so we suggested metal ag panels. We spent a lot of time removing a previous repair, all the old trusses, and then rebuilt the new trusses as well as the soffit and fascia on site. Redid all the decking. We did the front portion of the roof first, not to have too many structural tweaks or issues. Once we got that all true and shored up, then we moved into the second portion or other half of the home. We take a lot of pride in our framing, we take a lot of pride in all of our work, but when you trust Robinson Roofing for a project like this, you can bet that we are going to be on site, on time, caring, and looking after this project as if it were our own. We know you have many choices when it comes to roofing, and we feel completely honored when we have a chance to provide you with an estimate and earn your business. Things come together nicely here. And the most exciting part, the most gratifying part, once all the trusses are rebuilt and you have fresh decking, it's time to lay down the beautiful metal ag panels. This color here is matte black, timeless, classic, handsome, strong looking, and will last the test of time. Protect this new home and this investment from the elements. New old home, old new home. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a metal project or any roofing project that you're considering, we would love to hear from you. Have a chance to earn your business. Questions, please call us. We're here and happy to answer them. We hope to hear from you soon.